Welcome to Twiz Java channel. In this video I will show you an Android game I have made called Naruto Rummy. Naruto Rummy is a card game based on Rummy with artwork from Naruto and is for 5 players, each player representing one of the 5 great ninja villages in Naruto. This is the splash screen featuring the game logo. Here the player is given 2 options: to play a single player game against the computer or to log in and play online. In this video I will be demonstrating the single player game. This screen provides the option of watching the interactive tutorial or playing the game. Because I will be your interactive tutorial, I will demonstrate the game to you. This is the main play screen. Naruto Rummy features a deck of 148 cards. These cards are made up of 8 Bunshin cards, with the remaining cards being separated into 5 suits, each suit representing one of the great villages from Naruto. Each village or suit has 7 ninjas representing them, numbered 1 from 7. For example, the number 1 ninja in the village hidden in leaves is the Hokage, and this one is the Sandaime Hokage. There are 4 copies of every ninja card. The object of Naruto is to collect 3 sets of 4 of a kind and a pair of cards. When you make a set of 4, you place the 4 cards in front of you to show the other players. There are a few other rules and I will explain them as I play. Each player is dealt 13 cards, with the turn player drawing a card to make 14 cards, as shown. Also shown are the cards left in the deck, and the score. After the turn player draws a card, the turn player then chooses and discards a card. When a player discards a card, they score 1 point. If you discard the same card as the last player, you score 2 points. When you make a set of 4, you score 4 points. In the event that a card that has been discarded can be used by you to create a set of 4, so in this case, this card here, then you can either decline the discard or you can claim the discard. I am able to claim this discard because I have 1 Bunshin, which counts as a wild card, and 2 of the exact same card. So by clicking on claim discard, I take the card and then place it in front of me along with the other cards. You can view what's in the discard pile by clicking on show discard. This will show you what has been discarded. You can also view people's melds by clicking on either their melds or your meld. As you can see, I have made a set of 4 with 3 cards and a wild card. The Kazekage has made a set of 4 with 2 Kankuro and 2 wild cards. If you claim a card, as I showed you in this game, then it becomes your turn. Also, if any player claims a card, then it becomes their turn. When you claim a card, you must discard a card. As you can see, the Kazekage discarded a Sakura, the same as my card, and scored 2 points. Also, as you can see, the Tsuchikage made a set of 4 and scores 4 points. As shown before, you can view the discard pile. And as you can see here, there is a green square. This green square represents cards which are in the discard pile, which are also in your hand. So I actually have a Han in my hand. This means it's safe for me to discard that card. If you click on this game log, it provides information about the events in the game, such as card draws, card discards, melds created, cards claimed, and points gained. For the remainder of this video, I will be quickly demonstrating how to play this game. Don't forget that the game ends when you get 3 sets of 4 of a kind. To anyone out there who's paying attention or is interested to know, I have never actually won a game of Naruto Rummy yet, and hopefully you get to see it for the first time. This Naruto Rummy game runs on any Android phone using the Android version 2.3 or above. There is also one other special rule, which I will hope to demonstrate to you in this game. Oh, notice that the Mizukage took the Tsuchikage. The special rule is, if a player makes a meld, and any other player has the same card that makes that meld, for example, if I had a Tsuchikage, then you can convert your card into a wild card. Notice I scored 2 points for discarding that Hoshigaki Kasami. No, not my guy, Sensei. Note that the game continues until either all of the cards are exhausted or somebody wins the game. Ah! Just then you saw an example of a conversion to a wild card. So I used my Kankuro and traded it for a wild card. This means making melds from cards which are freely available to other players very dangerous, as it increases the amount of wild cards in the game. Notice I have made a set of 4 using 2 wild cards. Now I am close to winning and must discard one of my many pairs. Oh! Oh no! I just discarded a Hokage. Oh. Oh, and I was the only person to discard him. I will discard a Chojuro. I'm hoping to get a wild card somehow. My score is 21, so I'm winning, but only because I have 2 sets of 4. In addition, you can have multiple winners in this game. So if multiple people have the same score, then they win. No, it's currently a draw between myself and the Kazekage. There's only 9 cards left in the game, so this game should end very shortly. Oh, now if anyone discards an A or a Hokage, I win this game. No, there's only 3 cards left. Oh, an A! That's it! I win! I win! Oh! As you can see, I actually won that game, which was very surprising. So as you can see, this screen shows the statistics from the game. So in this screen you can see the player avatar, which is customizable, and the player name, and their score. So I came first with 30, and the Tsuchikage came second with 27. And you can also see everybody's melds here. So here, as you can see. Wow, I can't believe I won. Well, thank you for watching. I'll just quickly go through the end statistics. So these are persistent, so if you play online, they'll be saved online, and it shows your high score, your total score out of all of the games you've played, the total wins, and the number of games played. Oh, thank you for watching, and if you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below.